Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Linktree, one of the most popular link in bio tools out there. If you are new to Linktree, don't worry, this is a complete beginner guide, okay? By the end of the video, you know how to create a professional landing page that can easily add to your social media bios, whether it is Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Alright, let's get started. First of all, open your browser, go ahead to Google and search for linking. Just type linking and then you go ahead and search. The official website should appear right at the top of the search result. Click on the link and it is going to take you straight to the Linktree homepage, okay? Once you're on the Linktree landing page, look towards the top right corner and you will see sign up for free button. Click on that. From there, you will need to enter a few basic details like your email, username, password. After that, just follow the simple steps to verify your email and complete your account. So email, you enter your email address over here. You click on agree and click on continue. Then it says choose a username. Try something similar to your social media handle for easy recognition. So maybe I can type, let's say, Opoku Connect. So maybe I can go with something like Opoku Connect. Then you click on continue. From there, they are going to send you an email to confirm. So I'm just going to enter my email details just like this. Then automatically it's going to confirm your details. And it says which best describes your goal for using Linktree. So I'll select creator and then continue. You can select business as well. And here it says start your free trial. Free 7-day trial, cancel anytime. We will email you 2 days before your trial ends. After the trial ends, you will be charged. Then it says payment. You can choose to pay with your card or Google Pay. And they also have PayPal available if you would like to do so. Then from there, you will see the plan. They have the annual plan that goes for £42 and also monthly that goes for £4. So if you have a coupon code, you can also apply it and then they are going to reduce your amount for you. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my details and then I'm going to show you how to set up your store as well. Once you are done with your payment details, it will ask you to select a template, so you can just choose a template from here. So I'm just going to choose a simple template. I'll select this template and start with this and click on start with this template. Which platform are you on? So I'm going to click on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp. I don't want to add my WhatsApp. Okay, I can still add my WhatsApp, Facebook as well, yeah, Pinterest. Then I'll click on continue. Add your links. So complete the field below, so you can just add your links. So with this one, I'm going to use, so I will just copy my YouTube link over here and just going to paste it here. So it says I should just, let me see. That is too much. So it says add, so yeah. Then WhatsApp. All right, so with additional links, I'm going to add my website or template. Okay, open this one. I'm going to copy this and paste this one here. Then I'm going to also paste another link here. All right, this one. Then paste that one here as well. And I think I can also paste another one. All right, so go ahead and add all these details. Then you click on continue and it says finding your content. So from here, it says add a suggested links. We found a few more links across your web page based on your account. Design standing birthday flyer using ChatGPT. So let's go build my Linktree. So looking good, your Linktree is off to great start. Continue to building a great, even better. So this is it. Solo Connect Digital Entrepreneurship. So here my Linktree is looking good. Your Linktree is set off to great start. So continue to build. It says Solos Connect, Digital Entrepreneur, and Lifelong Learner, Earning Smart Online. Alright, so this is YouTube thumbnail. This is my TikTok account, Instagram, Facebook. Shop all template by Pasolo Creation, Pasolo Opoku Solomon. So you see, that is it. So continue to build. So from here you can go to the dashboard and actually include things that you want to include. Okay, so you can actually go there and include some things, so you can use that to sell, and you can also earn a brand deal from it. So that is new thing, and it's also new thing because they are trying to improve upon what they are doing. So from here I'm going to set up my Linktree and typically come up with what I want it to show. Then from here you can go to share and you can copy this and you can paste it in, let's say, your TikTok bio, so that people are going to have access to it. So first one is your Linktree is live. So if I copy this and paste it here, so when people click on my Linktree, they are going to see that I don't like this one, so I'm just going to change this and put in proper information that I want. So guys, to add a new URL, so this is how my page is looking like. So I want to add a new URL, so I'll come to the place that maybe I want to add it. I'll just come here, add, and then you paste the link, then you click on add. So it's going to be added over here. So this is it, you see. So let me go down, and in 2025 and beyond, and it is going to take you to my Telegram platform. So I'm trying to add all of that, all my social media platforms over here. I don't really like the background, so I'm going to change it as well. I think I have some courses that I was selling too, so I would also like to bring that on board. It is here, it is on seller. So I just want to open that course alone. Learn Photoshop. Yeah, this course. This is the course I was selling. So how do I, yes, let me click on it to open that separately, and let me paste that one as well. So I'll later on reduce it. Because having too plenty URL or having too plenty links confuses people, like they don't know how to click, and I don't want to confuse my audience. So this is YouTube shop or template by Parcel Creation. This is my TikTok, this is my WhatsApp, Facebook. I think I'll remove Facebook. I don't like Facebook that much. This is my seller page, so people want to buy from me on seller, and I think on seller too I have a page over here, so I'm also going to include that. So my Stellar store over here. So here I was selling a course over here, so I think I have to move all my courses over here so that it will be easier for people to get access to. So all my courses is going to be here. I'm going to remove all this template from this place, and the place is going to look clean and more tidy. So copy this link, and I'm going to paste in this link as well. So to be honest with you, this is my first time using the Linktree, and I'm doing with you guys, so you guys will not be confused, like I've already know what I'm doing, but this is my first time actually applying everything that I'm doing right now. So you guys can literally learn from me from scratch to toe. So I have YouTube or template. So I think I would like to bring my all template on top. All right, YouTube should be there. TikTok, I think, let me bring my all template on top. Then I don't want Facebook and Instagram right now because I'm not all that serious over there. Then I think I would like to bring my Gumroad page. I think that one should be there, should be at the down. And in 2025, this is a Telegram platform anyone can join. Buy my this is my Photoshop course, a course that I did, so I think I can bring that one here. This is my Photoshop course. All right, so now I have everything in one place. I have my shop, my course. I have 3 courses. I think I have 4 courses, but just one here, no problem. This is my shop, my store. This is my store, this is my course, YouTube, TikTok, my WhatsApp number, another shop, then another shop, this is my Telegram platform, and also I have this. So that is what I have now. So this is how you can create your Linktree account, and you can see my Linktree connect. So guys, you can come here and message me, hit me on TikTok, hit me on YouTube, and also check out my template. So this is how you can join Linktree and list all what you do online, so that it's going to be at one place and people is going to find it easy to contact you and also get one or two files from you more, and makes life more easier for you. So that is how you can go about creating this. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now.